Welcome to the Virtual Serengeti. Hold on to your hats. We are diving into Africa's untamed wilderness. All thanks to a bit of AI magic. Feast your eyes on the lion, the true king of Africa's outback. In these lion families, it's the lionesses doing all the hunting and chasing, while the fellas keep an eye on the home front. And that roar. It's like nature's own walkie-talkie. Rear chin up to 5 miles. But listen, these beauties are in a bit of a pickle, facing things like losing their home turf. So let's do our part to keep them safe and sound. Look at these majestic elephants. They are the architects of the plains, led by the wise Elder One. But remember, they need our help to keep their homes safe. Let's not take them for granted. As the sun sets, the Serengeti comes alive. Owls, hyenas, you name it. But let's not forget, if we don't step up, this digital world could be all we've got. So let's each do our small part to take care of our beautiful nature.